In this module, we will learn to find the coordinates of a point. To find the coordinate of a point in Cartesian plane, we need to draw perpendicular from that point on horizontal x-axis and vertical y-axis. We know that in coordinate plane, x-axis and y-axis intersect each other at origin. To consider its position, we need to draw perpendicular from this point on x-axis and y-axis respectively. First read the x-coordinate of this point along x-axis, which is 2. The x-coordinate of this point is perpendicular distance from y-axis. Now read the y-coordinate of this point along the y-axis. We get it as 3. Notice that y-coordinate of this point is perpendicular distance from x-axis. Now we get coordinates of a point is 2, 3. The number written in this order is form an ordered pair. In ordered pair, first number represents x coordinate and second number represents y coordinate. Now let's see how the coordinates of a point changes as we move the point towards the x-axis. Here coordinates of a point is 2, 2. Here coordinate of point is 2, 1. Moving further, the coordinate of points become 2, minus 2. This point in third quadrant has coordinates minus 2, minus 2. Here coordinates of point is minus 2, minus 1. Now if the point moves to second quadrant, then its coordinates are minus 2, 1. Here coordinates of a point is minus 2, 2. This discussion helps you to conclude that both the coordinates of a point are positive in first quadrant. In second quadrant, the x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive. In third quadrant, both x and y coordinates are negative. In fourth quadrant, x coordinate is positive whereas y coordinate is negative. Now look at this point on x-axis. Here x coordinate of this point is 2 whereas y coordinate is 0. So y coordinate of every point lying on x-axis is 0. Similarly, if a point lies on y-axis, then its x coordinate is always 0. Here x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 2. Now look at the coordinate of origin. The coordinates of origin are 0, 0. In this module, we have learned that perpendicular distance of a point from y-axis is called its x-coordinate and perpendicular distance of a point from x-axis is called its y-coordinate. If the abscissa of a point is x and ordinate is y, then an ordered pair is xy, represents the coordinates of the point. A point lying in first quadrant has both its coordinates positive. A point lying in second quadrant has a negative x coordinate and positive y coordinate. A point lying in third quadrant has both its coordinates negative. A point lying in fourth quadrant has positive x coordinate and negative y coordinate. The coordinates of a point on the x-axis are of the form x, 0 and that of the point on y-axis are on the form of 0, y. The coordinates of origin are 0, 0.